They say slow and steady wins the race, but if your crews are moving like turtles after lunch, you're not winning anything. I'm sure each and every one of you know exactly what I'm talking about. I think back to the construction days. After lunchtime, you can barely get off your seat after eating lunch. You're in slug mode, you barely can move, not motivated at all to get product from pallet to pavement. It's a struggle. And it's not that you're lazy, it's just that fatigue is set in and the energy is zapped from you. So what are we gonna do to change that? Many of you know that I often use the term numbers don't lie. So let's just do a little bit of a deep dive and see what I mean by that. Let's say you have a 4-man crew. Every contractor is probably gonna lose approximately 15 minutes in the morning hours, just due to mismanagement of time, maybe lost tape measure, looking for tools, looking for products. After lunch, that becomes 30 minutes. Think about that. That literally is about 3 hours of labor that's wasted each and every day on one job site. That's equivalent to 15 hours every week. If you're billing out at $100 an hour, that's $1,500. If you take that over 8 months of time, that's equivalent to $50,000 of lost revenue. So what causes this loss, right? I can think of several off the top of my head. Trips back and forth to the truck, being fatigued on the job and making mistakes that have to be redone. The constant bending over, that creates fatigue and stress on the body. We can't solve every problem in the industry, but at Pave Tool, we've done a good job at solving some of these issues. So let's take screeding, for example. Many of our contractors are on their hands and knees with knee pads, filling their pads up, trying to clean those out. They're bent over, a lot of strain on the lower back with pulling that load. Stand-up screeder, simple, easy, get your job done perfectly and ergonomically correct. Our contractors love the screeder package. There's a link down below. You can check it out there. I've seen it with my own 2 eyes. We waste a tremendous amount of time with our contractors running from the backyard to the front yard, getting products out of your trailer, out of your truck. We've developed a bar box, also the tool organizer. These are awesome products to get multiple tools into the backyard quickly and efficiently. Everything is at your fingertips. Everything has a place. You want to talk about speeding up production? This is an amazing time saver. You've often heard me say the pallet to pavement paint. It's real. 80% of our energy is carrying that product from the pallet over to the laying field. Retaining walls is no different. These are heavy, heavy products, and we're relying on our team to physically pick up, move, carry. If you're in our industry for 10 years, 80% of you will have a back injury. We've developed the 980, the 450, other clamping mechanisms. You can couple to an excavator, you're grabbing that product, you're moving it efficiently and effectively without putting the strain on any one of your backs. If you're interested in any of our block clamps, we have a link to the collection below. Finally, the last one I want to touch on is our MVP. This is an amazing little vacuum pump, weighs less than 2 pounds. It can couple to our T-handle package, our 2-man lift, even a machine package. And this can move product from pallet to pavement with ease. It keeps you stood up ergonomically. You're not bent over with all that strain on your lower back. You want to talk about a pain saver? This is by far one of my favorites. Good contractors design better systems to speed up efficiencies and not expect their help to go faster. With the right setups, you can expect your help to go faster all day and not just in the morning. If you're interested in one of my favorite tool systems to speed up your job sites, check out the video here. I sincerely thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you next week. You're still here? Click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our tip of the week.